What is up, people? So this is the website that I went to purchase the Dark Plates 2.0. So this site sells everything, so from cell phones to laptops to skins, for anything, you name it. But it's just showing you right now that I went to the website and explaining to you. You can pause the video if you like, and you can read what it's talking about, like adding events, improving, avoiding the lawsuits, stuff like that. You can read. I know you can buy this on Amazon for like a cheaper price, but you cannot find like this style of the fan. It does have a mesh on the fan, so the dust won't collect inside. So it is worth it. If you are a first-time customer, you will not get a discount on the site. You would have to pay full price in USA price. So even if you're in Canada, you have to pay, and it costs $75. You're gonna end up paying $100 for this. It's worth it. The quality is good. Came with a nice box. The shipping took a week only to ship to my area. As you can see here, it's a disc edition and digital edition. And the one that I picked is the acid one, the acid skin, because I wanted the acid skin. It looks more nicer. So that's how it's gonna look like. Make sure you guys check out the D brand. They saw a lot of stuff. You can check out Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube for the stuff.
How you react, how you react to me.
What's up, people? My name is DJ Track. Anyways, I'll be modding my PS5 today, but make sure you guys subscribe by clicking this. You guys won't be able to see it. I'm just saying that because I'm recording a video for the YouTube, so I can edit that one. But I'll be customing my PS5 CD. I did end up setting my digital. I got PS5, PlayStation, yeah.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
LED light, yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be opening this baby today, showing you guys how to do it, how to open this up and add the light here. But I was surprised. I'm not gonna be using this casing anymore. I'm gonna be using a new modified casing. Just gonna put this on the side. Got my package today from D brand. You guys heard of D brand? I'll put the link in the description in the bottom. Let's open this baby up, shall we? How we good at cutting these? Oh, so nice, the box. Let's go see what's inside, guys. Oh wow! What is this? What is this inside? So I got the Dark Plates 2.0. You can see there. It says dark, of course, you know. Like you guys get what I'm saying, right? So I got a fiber cloth, like a soft cloth, to wipe down the. Nice. It just says D brand. You guys can't really see the D brand there. Two of them. I got a black one and a green one. This is the acid one. Look. See the acid color? So I'm actually gonna put the acid color. I don't know why they sent me two. I don't really need two of them. Maybe 1, 2, 3. Put this away. This is Dark Plate 2.0. Look at that, guys. It says Dark Plate 2. Not too bright the light there, buddy. But you can see that the card. dbrand.com. How to. So let's remove this one. Wow. It's so like fancy, but these are so nice. So this is the casing for the. This is how it look like, the casings. See that? Put my face down. Ooh. So it has like a fan opening, but the case is more sleek. You see that? It's more sleek, the case. It doesn't have like this this triangle thingy, you know. So it'll be more sleek. So it's like cut off, or like it's cut off, right? See, this is more cut off, right? And this cut off. So I like the quality. It's pretty good here. When you look closely, it just says 1110, and it goes 1110 all the way. You guys can't see it there, but it says 110. You guys can't see it. And this is for the other side. Two of them, right? It's in like this. So right now, what I'm going to do is open this bad boy. Just don't. Just gotta move my finger. Ouch.
Yeah, look, they said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of the world, the globe is spinning. If you know, you know I've been on a mission. Go. Okay.
And then you can see there that I have installed that M.2 SSD here. That M.2 SSD. You guys can see the SSD there. This is 2 terabytes. So my system is 2008 gigs plus the 4 terabytes. That's how it looks like when you open it. Same for this one. The PlayStation is naked now. Literally naked. That's how it look like. When they make the PlayStation Slim, it'll be more slimmer than this. Alright. Wait, I'm not gonna do this yet. I'm gonna be installing the lights for you guys. So let's open the lights and see how it goes. I'll cut this here. That's the only thing I have to cut. RGB. That smells like food in there. So it comes with a huge ass controller. It comes with a LED. 2 LED lights. So 2 here, 2 here. So the lights are like this. They're pretty solid, like the motherboard. Brown thing. Swipe in here. Just wipe it so the sticker can stick on properly, you know. Okay. Put this on. I'm just gonna put this on right here. That's how it's supposed to go, I guess. Oh, this one's not removed yet. Okay, now it seems to be okay. I just don't want it to fall off, so I'm just gonna cut this part here and then remove it and put it somewhere else. Like the sticky glue. Let's see, look. This part here needs something. So there you go. So that's one. I'm gonna do this side now. Okay, I'll wipe this one so it'll stick. The thing I don't like about this is like the way it's like hangs like this. So I'm gonna put zap strap here all over, just to make it look like, you know. And then the wires, I'm gonna put zap strap here so it won't be pulling it. I don't like it how it looks like that, like open. Looks fucking. I'll show you guys. These are zap straps here. So I'm going to keep it like this, and I'm gonna zap strap it from here. I'm not going to make it too tight. That's it. This one can stay here. This one can go there. Okay guys, so that's how it's gonna look like when the light's on, that one. Both sides working, this way and that one. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the cases on. I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like with the cases on. I know I shouldn't be doing this when the PlayStation is turned on, but it should be fine, I'm assuming. A little bit tough there, but you can see that how it looks like now, see? So I don't know if you can see the light there, but it's kind of like, that's how it look like. It look like a gaming PC, right? So you can see the modification there. It's just the fan, like, it's just like, it's cut off compared to this case. When you put this on, it's supposed to be on here, right? See? But just so like, in the PlayStation can breathe more better, you know? So I'm just gonna turn it off quickly. So now, I'm going to install this thing here. So I don't know if it's gonna be hard or easy. Just clean it, rubbing alcohol. Just making it nice and clean there. You see there, shiny, shiny. So I'm just trying to wipe this. So it can stick on the glue there. I know I should be wearing gloves because that should be fine. Okay guys, so I'm gonna flip it on this side here. Put my seat up. Okay, now I'm gonna be installing this one here. I'm gonna be opening this. How do you open this thing? So this one, okay. It's kind of different, eh? So that's how it sticks. Okay, I'm not done here yet, so I'm almost done. So I'm gonna be done over here. I come over here and finish this off here and put this on. And there you go, I'm done. I have to click from here to there, and then I have to put the bottom now, see? Now I'm gonna put the bottom here. More. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe it. Okay, so everything has to be good here. Just gonna... Well, there you go, I'm done. So that's how it looks like when I finish the whole thing. See? Goes from the way all the way from the bottom to all the way from the front. So there you go. So that's it, man. That's all I wanted to install. Thank you guys for watching me. Thank you so much. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you send me stars on TikTok. My name is DJ Track, aka Wesley. I'll be posting more videos on tech, how to install. My next project will be for my Xbox Series X. I'll be installing a LED light around the top. So when I'm playing on my PC, I can just put the light on there. So that's what I wanted to do on this one because it reminded me of what I did before. So I'll be doing another modification video. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure you guys... Anyways, make sure you guys subscribe and like and... Don't forget to subscribe to me, like, and please share my videos.